When it comes to producing quality bikes that stand the test of time and keep you riding comfortably, you can count on Schwinn. The Schwinn Discover Urban Bicycle makes your comfort a top priority during daily commutes and casual rides. Its durable, lightweight aluminum design includes a suspension fork and an alloy crank, while the adjustable stem supplies a custom fit. The swept-back handlebar lets you sit upright as you cruise over paved surfaces and bike paths. The 21-speed SRAM grip shifter and Shimano rear derailleur make changing gears fast and easy, uphill or downhill, while Pro Max alloy linear pull brakes give you incredible stopping power when you need it. Cushioned grips, a padded seat, and a rear gear rack round out its commuter-savvy details. Plus, fenders add classic style while keeping dirt and debris off of your clothes. Designed with 700cc-sized wheels, this bike is great for adult riders 5 foot 4 inches to 6 foot 2 inches tall. And just like other Schwinn bikes, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn. Established in 1895 and celebrated for their cycling legacy, Schwinn knows just what you're looking for in a bicycle. From men's to women's to kids, they have a bike for everyone. Enjoy a bike that makes urban cycling easy with the Loop by Schwinn. The Loop features a folding steel frame that's both durable and exceptionally convenient for those with limited storage space. The Shimano 7-speed twist shifters and Shimano derailleur team up to provide smooth gear changes, while the front and rear linear pull brakes deliver secure stops. 20-inch wheels with alloy rims and smooth rolling street tires are perfect for your weekday commute or weekend ride around town. There's even a rear carrier with a heavy-gauge nylon bag, making it super easy to haul your backpack, groceries, or whatever else you need to carry on your ride. Then when you're all done, just fold the bike right up into its ultra-compact storage configuration and you can tuck it away until it's time to go again. Like all Schwinn bikes, the Loop comes with a limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike. Convenience is the name of the game with the Loop. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.